The Bilt Rewards Mastercard has to be one of the most innovative credit cards to hit the market in recent years, with it having the ability to earn rewards just for paying your rent. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a full review of this card, and you guys will see exactly why this card deserves to be in your wallet.
So first, getting right into the rewards that comes with having this card, you'll earn 3x points on dining, which includes restaurants, cafes, and bars. You'll earn 2x points on travel when booked through the Bilt Rewards Mastercard travel portal. You'll earn 5x points on Lyft rides, but you will need to link your Lyft account within the Bilt app, and you'll earn 1x points on rent payments up to 100,000 points per year. With this card, you can pay your rent and it will waive any credit card fees that may apply when trying to pay your rent. If your landlord doesn't accept credit card payments, you can still pay your rent with your Bilt Mastercard by paying through the app, and Bilt will send a check directly to them and charge the rent to your Bilt Mastercard. But to earn your 1x points on rent payments, you will need to make at least 5 transactions per billing cycle to earn your rewards. If you set up recurring payments like subscriptions or utility bills, this is an easy way to make sure you reach that requirement, and you'll earn 1x points on all other purchases. And on the first day of every month, all your reward categories will double except for the rent category and your Lyft ride. Your dining purchases will double from 3x points to 6x points. Your travel purchases will double from 2x points to 4x points, and for all other purchases, it will double from 1x points to 2x points on rent day. Now, getting into the cardholder benefits that comes with having this card, and before we get into the cardholder benefits, I have to mention that this is the absolute best cardholder benefits that I have seen on any credit card that has no annual fee. With this card, you will have no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. Next, you'll get cell phone protection. This cell phone protection will cover against theft or damages to your phone, and all you have to do to be eligible for this protection is to make your last phone bill payment with your Bilt Mastercard. And with this coverage, you'll be covered up to $800 per claim. Next, you'll get purchase protection. With this purchase protection, you'll be covered up to 90 days against theft or damages. You'll be covered up to $10,000 per claim and up to $50,000 per year. But keep in mind, there is a deductible of $25 per claim. Next, you'll get Bilt primary auto rental coverage. This means instead of using your own personal auto insurance when renting a car, you can use Bilt coverage instead. This coverage includes protection against scratches, dents, accidents, and theft as well. And to use this coverage, all you need to do is pay for your entire car rental with your Bilt Rewards Mastercard. Next, you'll get rent reporting. This is super useful for people who want to strengthen their credit profile without having to take on extra debt. If you don't make your rent payments on time, that rent payment will not be reported and it won't affect your credit score. And Bilt will report to all 3 credit bureaus such as Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Next, you'll get trip delay reimbursement. So if your trip was canceled or interrupted, you'll be reimbursed for any non-refundable expenses that you made for your trip. You'll be covered up to $5,000 per traveler per trip. Next, you'll get access to Bilt tier status. With each tier status, you'll get additional benefits when using your Bilt Mastercard. There are 4 tiers such as the blue, silver, gold, and platinum tier. The blue tier is an entry-level status. With this tier, you'll earn the standard 1x points on rent payments, and you can also transfer your points at a 1-to-1 ratio with Bilt travel partners. Next, you have the silver tier, which is for cardholders who earn more than 25,000 points per calendar year with their Bilt Mastercard. After that, you have the gold tier, which is for people who earn 50,000 points per year with their Bilt Mastercard. And lastly, you have the platinum tier, which is for people who earn 100,000 points per calendar year with their Bilt Mastercard. Now, when it comes to redeeming your Bilt points, there are several ways which you can redeem them. You can redeem your points for a statement credit, but at this rate, you will only earn 0.55 cents per point. Next, you can use your Bilt points for Amazon purchases, but at this rate, you will only earn 0.7 cents per point. Next, you can redeem your points for travel, and at this rate, you can redeem your points for 1.25 cents per point. If you guys don't know, Bilt partnered up with Expedia to create their own booking platform where you can book car rentals, flights, and hotels. Next, you can redeem your points by transferring them to Bilt travel partners, and depending on which travel partner you transfer your Bilt points out to, your Bilt points can be worth anywhere from 1 to 3 cents per point. And here's an entire list of all the Bilt travel transfer partners where you can transfer your points out to. And lastly, this is a very unique option where you can actually redeem your Bilt points to use as a down payment on a home. With this redemption, your points will be worth 1.5 cents per point. On top of that, Bilt has partnered up with eXp Realty, where if you use an eXp Realty agent through the Bilt platform, you will earn 1x points for every $2 spent on the home's purchase price. For example, if you were to buy a $400,000 home with an eXp Realty agent, you will earn 200,000 Bilt points. And real quick, guys, if you guys are getting any sort of value out of this video, I would really appreciate it if you guys can hit the
the like button for me. It helps out the channel a lot. And if you guys are interested in signing up for this card, I will leave a link pinned down in the comment section below for you guys to sign up. Keep in mind, I may earn a referral fee if you do decide to sign up. Now, moving on, there has been a new announcement from Bilt announcing starting in 2025, homeowners will have the ability to earn points on their mortgage payments. Now, details of how this program is going to work hasn't been announced yet, but from assuming how we earn 1x points on rent payments, we could potentially be earning 1x points on our mortgage payments. This program will only apply to residential properties, including single-family homes, all the way up to 4-unit multifamily homes. I'm sure there's still a lot more information that needs to be released first before the start date, so I will definitely update you guys when it becomes official with a start date. Now, to get approved for the Bilt Rewards Mastercard, you will need a credit score of at least 700 or higher, and this credit card will be a hard pull on your personal credit report. Since this card is backed by Wells Fargo, they will usually pull from one of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Which credit bureau they pull from depends on the state you live in, so before you apply, make sure you check your credit report with all 3 credit bureaus so you have an idea of what your score is. Now, here's how the application process looks like. First, you will put in your phone number or email. You will receive a 6-digit verification code. After verifying, you will create your Bilt account by entering in your email, first name, last name, and date of birth. Then it will take you straight to the credit card application. You will need to provide your home address, your social security number, your citizenship status, and financial details like your housing status, your monthly rent or mortgage, employment status, and total annual income. After filling all that out, you will check the boxes and hit continue. Then you may be asked to verify your identity through Welch ID. Once all that is done, you can hit submit. Then Bilt will let you know within a few seconds whether you're approved for this card or not. If you're approved for this credit card, then congratulations. But if not, don't worry. You can call Bilt reconsideration phone number, explain that you were denied, and ask them to take a look at your application. And then they will review your application and give you a final decision on your approval. So overall, this card is an absolute must-have. If you're paying rent, you definitely want to go get this card. And you'll realize quickly just from getting this card how fast your rewards is going to add up. And honestly, this card can just come in handy for life situations. So maybe payday is 3-4 days after your rent is due. So I can definitely see this card being used in that situation. Then obviously when payday comes around, you can just clear the balance. Either way you use this card is an absolute must-have to get.